Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Tip Tuesday. My name is Qasim, and in this video we are talking about the iOS 14 app library. This is a feature that automatically organizes your apps into folders so you can easily find them. Grab your phone and jump to the home screen. In order to access the app library, you'll need to swipe over to the last page of your home screen and swipe with one finger to the left. This will bring up the app library. Here you'll see all your apps organized into folders. You can scroll through and see all the folders. Any folder that contains just 4 apps, you can tap on any of the apps to open it up. What's nice is when you return back home from the app, it takes you back to the app library. This is great because that way you don't have to swipe through your home screens to return to it. Any folder that contains more than 4 apps, you can just tap on it and the folder will open up to show you all the apps within. Just tap on the app you want to open up. Tap anywhere else on the screen and you'll be brought back to the app library. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search field. If you tap on it, then here you can search for any of your apps by typing the name. I'm gonna search for Subscribe. Oh wait, there's no app for that, but that is something you can do to help my channel out. Here you'll also find all your apps listed in alphabetical order. You can either swipe through the list or tap on one of the alphabet letters to jump to all the apps that start with that specific letter. In the top right, you'll notice a cancel button. Tap on this at any time and you'll be returned back to the app library folders view. This is a neat feature because if we return to the home screen, you now have the ability to hide apps from the home screen. Long press with one finger on any app icon and you'll be given a few options. Go ahead and tap on where it says remove app. This will bring up a few options. Tap on where it says remove from home screen and now that app will be hidden from the home screen. Don't worry because you can add this app back to your home screen at any time. Just go into the app library and find the app we just removed. Press and hold down on the app with one finger and you'll be given the option to add it to your home screen. Tap on that and now that app will be added back to your home screen. You can also long press and drag on any of the apps inside a folder to place them anywhere on your home screen. The app library is really a great feature and another reason I love iOS 14. I've got a bunch of videos on the different iOS 14 features, so be sure to check them out. By hiding the apps and just having them in the app library, you can reduce the clutter of apps on the home screen. This way, you can just have the widgets you love and the apps that are important to you on your home screen. That's all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions for me, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you next Tuesday, same time, same place. Have a wonderful day.